Good morning. It's me from the channel. And following yesterday's disastrous P-word-induced sell-off in the pound, which saw it drop to a record low of 1.0350 versus the US dollar, the currency has rebounded slightly this morning as some investors started to buy back in. That's right. We've seen the lowest level since 1971 of the pound versus the dollar. And it's not just versus the dollar. It's also dropped to a 51-year low versus the euro as well. But having said that, there's still plenty of sellers out there. There's plenty of people who believe that this is all one-way traffic and that the pound could even go lower. But we have seen a dead cat bounce this morning. The pound is up 0.3% versus the dollar, which is around 1.5 cents. So we're back above the 1.04 level now. And versus the euro, we're up around 0.6%. So we're clawing back a little bit here this morning. But let's not forget the pound is still down more than 20% over the last year, and down almost 50% versus the euro over the last 7 years. So very poor performances by the currency. And it comes as no surprise given the economic outlook for the UK is so dire, with growth expected to be anemic at best, and inflation expected to hit 11% later this year, which is above the levels that we're likely to see in the Eurozone or the US. Having said that, we have seen a slight rebound this morning as some investors started to buy back in, but it was noted that these were very thin markets. Volumes were very low. So perhaps this is just a dead cat bounce, as I mentioned a moment ago. Perhaps we will see some follow-through selling in the days ahead. There are plenty of sellers out there, as I mentioned, who believe that the worst is yet to come for the currency. But for now, we're seeing a slight rebound. Have a great day and take care.